Hello viewers, welcome to my channel TCGO Kimberlite. Today I am going to make one announcement for the postgraduate Indira Gandhi scholarship for single girl child for the year 2020 and 21. In my uploaded video, I have been mentioned that the last date is October 21. It is by mistake it has been done, but the last date of this particular scholarship has been over now. It is closed, and I request everyone, this particular scholarship has been closed, so this scholarship we can use as for awareness. Those students who are coming for the next and next year for this particular scholarship, pass on the message to these students who are there in a BSc second year or BSc third year students for postgraduate Indira Gandhi scholarship. And I thank one of the viewer who has rectified this my mistake, and I try to make the corrections, and I apologize for everyone, those who have seen this my video. For them, from my side, I clear that this mistake has been done by unknown, yes, by cut and paste it has been taken place. But I am not a YouTuber, I am a teacher, and I wanted to make awareness among the students, because I have been getting a lot of calls from my students, sir. I have can you give me a scholarship for research? Can you give me a scholarship for PG course? Can you give me the scholarship for medicine, BDS, pharmacy, diploma, or whether it will be just simple DMLT course? The students are asking, some girls are asking me for Unani, homeopathy also. So whatever I have a spare time is there, I wanted to devote completely to this particular cause. As a teacher, whatever I have got a knowledge, I wanted to share my knowledge and experience with the upcoming students so that they can get the benefit from this scholarship. Maybe one student can get the scholarship, I'll be a satisfied person that from my side I cleared. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamonds. Today we are going to discuss on postgraduate Indira Gandhi scholarship for single girl child, and this is for year 2020-21. So make a base. Maybe in future you can make as a base, and on this you can apply for 2022 or 23, 24. So on this, I'm not going to again every year I'm going to make a video on this particular scholarship. So you can make the base that this will be for a postgraduate scholarship from Indira Gandhi. That is the name of the postgraduate Indira Gandhi scholarship for single girl child. I am a Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, Pune College, Arts, Commerce, Science, Camp, Pune, Maharashtra, India. I am 34 years of teaching experience, and out of this 20 years I am teaching as a NCC officer, and 10 years I am working as a scholarship in charge. Especially 30 student has got from my college 100% scholarship for studying higher studies in Turkey universities in Turkey, and myself visited to Turkey and visited 10 universities. So these students which are there from the downtown families whose income is very less, and they have been gone over there for various courses, engineering courses, BSc courses, arts courses, along with the B.Ed, and they got the job in Turkey as well as in India. And one of my students who has done BE Mechatronics has gone for integrated PhD program to do it in US on 100% scholarship. Class so many years that students are uh, asking the scholarship for various courses, and they could not have the uh, information one at a side. So I thought I could not go in each class in my colleges or in other colleges in Pune and explain one by one the scholarships various scholarships which are available for them. So the intention or to prepare, make this channel to make maximum awareness in downtrodden students who are the deserving one, to get them the scholarship and complete their higher education. I'm not only going to upload the scholarship videos. I'm already done geology videos for the FIBSc practical. Some theory also I have done. Then slowly I'm going to start the theory, because last 6 months I'm there in the US. I'll come back to India, but due to my college NAC process, I could not get the time. So whenever I get the time, I also upload the geology videos, then NCC video on, because I last 20 years I work as a NCC officer. So I'll be on the common syllabus. I'm going to upload the videos. So if you are eligible for post-graduation scholarship, then it is good. And very important one, the mindset of the militants against the girl child could not keep pace with the economic progress and literacy. That is also one of the drawbacks. So due to also this, central government is declared elementary education as a basic human right for every child. Indian government of India has taken various steps to uplift the status of women by implementing various schemes, and including free education for the girls, and everywhere the 30% reservation has been kept so that they can excel. And to promote the girls' education, UGC have also introduced a post-graduation Indira Gandhi scholarship for a single girl child, with the aim to compensate direct cost of girl education to all levels, especially for such girls which to be happen to be only one child in their family. Objectives, that is their support the post-graduation education of a single girl in postgraduate courses, to recognize value of observe of small family norms. Girl student, that is the target group is girl students who are admitted in the first year of PG courses in the following universities, colleges, and happen to be only one child in the family. Universities, institutions, colleges included under the section 2F and 12B of the UGC, that is the recognized colleges. Deemed to be universities included in the section 3, the UGC Act 1956 are also eligible to receive the grant in aid from the UGC. Those deemed universities which do not receive fund from the central or state government are not eligible institution under the scheme. Universities, institutions, colleges funded by the central or state government, institutes of national importance. These are the target group. Girls shouldn't do without having any brother or a girl student who has twin daughters or fraternal daughter, any also apply for the scholarship. So those who are the twins are there, they also apply. In a family, if one son, one daughter is there available, then the girl child will not consider the scholarship. Yes, but the twins are there, they will be accepted. Now, what will be the eligibility? Total number of scholarships which are there, they are the 3,000. Age limit for the scholarship, the girl student up to the age of 30 years at the time of admission in the first year of PG course are eligible. The scheme is applicable to such a single girl child who has taken admission in regular full-time first year master degree course in designated university or a past or a postgraduate colleges. Admission to postgraduate course in distance education mode is not covered under this scheme. Assistance under the scheme is amount of fellowship is 36,200 per annum for a period of 2 years only. Full duration of a PG course. No other additional grant will be payable to in lieu of hostel charges or medical charges. Hostel charges and medical charges will not be given now, only just 36,200 will be given. The candidate fulfilling the eligibility conditions are required to apply online on National Scholarship Portal, NS portal, and after initiation of the application process and notice to be published on UGC website, the host institution where the candidate is studying is required to verify the online application. So online application has to be verified in the institution where he has taken the admission. It is expected from the institute where the student has taken admission in the first year of PG course, no tuition fee will charge by the institute from the girl student to pursue PG degree course in universities, colleges or institute. Aadhaar tracing. Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, via the letter so and so, dated so and so, has instructed the University Grant Commission that from the financial year onward, 1670, Aadhaar will be used as an identifier for the disbursement of all government subsidies, scholarship or fellowship which are to be disbursed directly into the beneficiary's account. Disbursal will be governed by the Aadhaar Act 2016. So Aadhaar card is very, very important. So you have to link your the bank account with the Aadhaar card itself. Application will be invited once in a year on the National E-Scholarship Portal of Government of India. Short notification will be uploaded on UGC website. Incomplete application will be summarily rejected, Only verified online application will be considered for the award of scholarship. Affidavit regarding single girl child status may be uploaded as a per format is given in Annexure 2. So on the website, Annexure 2, you have to download and you have to take the signature of your parent. Joining the report as Annexure 1 has been uploaded. So wherever, in which institute you have taken the admission, joining this institution, you have to take the signature of your head of the department. Selection process, 3,000 fresh scholarship will be awarded every year. The scholarship can be availed of other scholarship also during the tenure of this one. So if you got this scholarship, you can apply for the other scholarships also. Joining, the scholar would be awarded from the date of joining the course as certified by the university or institutes or college. Duration of the scholarship, after the selection, the awardee will be paid scholarship on the DBT mode on the annual basis. Yes, the electronic mode will be transferred into account. For a renewal, the scholarship will be renewed for every year of the study on the receipt of the renewal. Student failing to get promoted to the next class, he will be forfeit the scholarship, will not be given the scholarship. Change in course of a study will not be permitted. If you want to change the course, it will not be permitted. If already changes the course of study, the scholarship will be stand forfeited from the date of such change. Scheme will be implemented on monitored by the UGC. Awardees of the previous year will be continued to follow the pattern of assistance through UGC or Canara portals, Canara Bank portals. The candidate selection will be based on fulfillment of the eligibility criteria and academic records. For this purpose, information student has to be visit the official website www.ugc.ac.in, and this will be the last date is 30th October 2021. Again, the website I have been put over here. So this is the way, www.ugc.ac.in. You have to go and you have to fill the form, complete your applications. So those who are eligible for this scholarship, they can apply. And if you are not eligible, see in your family, close family, or your family friends or your friends group who is eligible for this scholarship to complete his post-graduation. With the support of this scholarship, he can pursue his dream and complete his higher education. Thank you. Have a nice day.